Alright, we've got another treat. Some more freeze-dried chicken. Okay, you ready to try it? Ready to try it? Okay, let me get some. Okay, it's big pieces. Truffle, come here. It's big pieces. Let me have it. Let me get it in half. Here you go, Truffle. Here you go, Brulee. Oops, you... Here you go, Brulee. You're still eating. Brulee. Did you eat?